Hello, so I'm going to be showing you how to do Princess Belle's hairstyle where she's wearing 2 braids going into a ponytail. I'm going to do one side Dutch braid and one side just like a normal plait, so if you can't like French plait or Dutch braid, you'll still be able to wear this hairstyle basically. So what you would like to do is get your part in as close to the centre as possible, just because it means there'll be even amount of hair on each side. I'll start with the Dutch braid, so I'll start on this side. So with the hairstyle, it's quite like a loose plait, like it's not like a really thin, smallish one, it's quite like a big chunky-ish one. And she's also left some hair around her face. So you get your 3 sections and you take it underneath. And you grab some hair and add it to the plait underneath, but if you want to pull bits of hair out, then you can. And the plait sort of goes this way, so rather than plaiting down, you kind of want to bring it back. They're quite big sections. You can see it's starting to form now. So from about there, you will just plait as normal, but you'll still be taking it underneath, like so. And you'll plait all the way down to the bottom. If you get any hairs caught, just push them under, because it might pull. When you get a strand sometimes that pulls, it can be quite uncomfortable. So I think, so ideally you'd stop when you think that the end of the plait will be able to go into the hair bubble. So, like so. So just for the time being, you'll just tie it. So this is the Dutch braid. So you can see it's more like standing out on top. It's been built up because you've added hair. However, I want to leave out the same amount of hair each side. So we're just going to do like a normal plait, and then we'll see what we can do. So you still want to probably start quite chunky, you don't want it to be really thin. So probably about that much hair. And you just take 3 sections and you're still going to plait underneath. So 1, 2, and just keep plaiting. So this plait will be a lot thinner because I haven't been adding hair into it to make it like bulkier. But it's okay, it doesn't mean you can't have the hairstyle because you can't Dutch or French plait, it's fine. So you'll just keep plaiting down, so I haven't added any more hair. Keep plaiting down until you feel like it will go into the ponytail. Make sure no hair gets caught in it. make sure you've got your bubbles and stuff at the ready. It's quite nice to wear because with this hairstyle she has a little bow, a blue one, but unfortunately I don't have a blue one or a bow, so I've just got a scrunchie. So what you want to do now is move the bubble down a little bit so it drags and pull each section out a little bit so it thickens the plait. Lovely, so that's like a really nice thick plait that will go back, and you can do the same with this side, so just pull it down a little bit like so and just pull the plait out, but it won't be as thick this side because we didn't add any more hair in. So this is just a normal plait, but you can still get it thicker. And always start from the bottom. If you feel like it's too tight, loosen the band a little bit more, just by pulling it down. It's nice doing this, it just makes it look a lot thicker then. It really is. So can you see the difference in like thickness wise? It still looks nice, but this is just like a normal braid, and this is a Dutch one. So what you do now is put some hair around your face. I want to leave some bits out here, then you can, like she does. And you literally just tie it all back into a low ponytail. That plait's really standing out. That one could be standing out a little bit more, but it's okay. So you want to start off with a normal bubble first and just tie it like a normal ponytail. And now can you see that the plaits are still in? You can leave them in if you want to, but because it's already tied, they're not going to be going anywhere. So just add that into the rest of the ponytail, other side as well. Just pull it so it's nice and tight. And then you add your little accessory. I've got a pink scrunchie. That's going against the theme, but it doesn't matter. Lovely. Good luck.